the morning, friends, and the time is 6 a.m. in the morning, and we'll be going to Yangtham Valley. From Yangtham Valley, if time permits, we'll go to 0 Point.
Lachung is a beautiful mountain village close to the Tibetan border in the state of Sikkim.
Momo कितने कर गए?
This is where I have stayed, a beautiful homestay. The best part is the most of the houses here are made of pine woods, जो आपको always remind करता है कि आप शहर से दूर नेचर के करीब हो. I always feel most alive in mountains. ऐसे पहाड़ों को देख के लगता है कि I am transported to heaven. I suggest to stay for an additional day here. मेरे ख्याल से इस जगह की फील लेना चाहिए.
Place has become very commercial right now.
Maggie, how much?
50 rupees Maggie, 70 rupees Momo.
Okay.
Bread omelette 70.
So, give me Maggie, 1 plate.
Okay, so you'll find a lot of such stalls here where you can have your breakfast here. So you'll be having breakfast in the stall number 41. So in Sikkim, you'll find such kind of stalls where you'll get fireplace, and the shopkeepers will be selling a lot of items. And we are currently now in Yangtham, I don't know the exact pronunciation, Yumthang Valley. So after that we'll be exploring 0 Point probably, and today my plan is from here I'll go to Mangan, a small village, and I'll stay one night there, and from there tomorrow morning I'll go to a Zongo village. So it's a unique combination, bread with YY.
Cold bread with YY.
Look at.
Once you travel, you get to meet many adventurous persons. Meet Pasang Serpa. He is a mountaineer.
And the height of snow was still 10 feet. At least it was 10 feet. I'll show you another video.
10 feet snow.
If I might be lying, so these are the evidence. These are the walking stick. The maximum the height of this walking stick is, these are the limit, no? Maximum limit, these are 7 feet at least. And we are going to measure the depthness. See?
Oh.
See. It was almost around 10 feet.
So it's very risky, right?
It is one of the toughest and one of the riskiest sports in the world.
Awesome.
I tried in 2015 for the Everest.
Okay.
But unluckily, I couldn't get the sponsor because it took almost 35 lakhs for the Everest just for the royalty. So I'm trying for next year. Hopefully we are selected, but hopefully if the government gave us sponsor in the next year.
What about Kanchenjunga? So
yeah, from Sikkim side you can't climb, and no one.
So there is a Gelucha or Gochela, right?
Yeah, it is a Gocha peak where the first sun strike on that point. It is a small peak. You can see the Gochela means the lap of Kanchenjunga.
Oh, okay.
And when you go through the Oklathang Valley,
I'm planning to go there.
Yeah.
Gochela.
if you are good enough, good trackers, you can cover within 5 days.
Okay.
But as a tourist pack, it costs 9 to 10 days.
9 to 10 days, I know that. So if I want to trek, shall I contact you?
Yeah, obviously. You can go to our Google, www.ihc.org.
Okay.
And you'll get every information.
Okay.
Like we used to train 3 BMCs and 1 AMC. BMC means basic mountaineering.
Okay.
AMC means advanced mountaineering.
Okay,
And we used to teach a lot. Our students are from all over India.
So let me show you the valley. अगर आप ये नॉर्थ सिक्किम में हो तो देन यू कैन कवर दिस यंगथाम वैली. उसके लिए आपको लाचुंग पे 1 नाइट स्टे करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग यू कैन कम डाउन टू दिस वैली एंड इट्स अ रियली रियली ब्यूटीफुल वैली. यहाँ पे इस टाइप का सिटिंग प्लेसेस बना हुआ है. सो यू कैन कम एंड sit here for some time and enjoy the nature. So ये था यंगथाम वैली. Now we are going to 0 point. This valley called as Valley of Flowers. So in the month of April and May you will get lot of flowers here. ये completely flowers हो जाता है इस टाइम पे. So now we have come into 0 point and this place is around 45 to 50 minutes drive from Yumthang Valley and we are at around 15,000 altitude from the sea level. So कल जो गए थे गुरुदोंगमार लेक, it was 18,000 plus altitude from sea level. Okay, एक प्लेट दे दीजिए. So you should have momos in the hills and in this beautiful valley. I think you should have momos. अच्छा हो रहा है मोमो.
बहुत टेस्टी है ना भैया.
tasty.